What if everything you've been told about weight loss is missing the most important piece? You've tried cutting calories, restricting carbs, intermittent fasting, keto. You've done the work, but the scale barely moves. And when it does, the weight comes right back. Most diets focus on what goes into your body. Eat less, move more, restrict this, eliminate that. But almost none of them focus on what's happening inside your cells. And that's the part that actually matters. Deep inside every cell are tiny structures called mitochondria. Think of them as your body's engines. These engines decide what happens to the food you eat. When they're running efficiently, your body burns food as energy. When they stall, your body stores food as fat. This is what scientists call metabolic flexibility. When your mitochondria are healthy, your body can switch easily between burning carbs and burning fat for fuel. You have energy all day. You don't crash at 3 p.m. And your body naturally maintains a healthy weight. But after age 30, these cellular engines start to stall. Toxins accumulate. Oxidative stress builds up. Mitochondrial function declines up to 10% every decade. Your engines lose efficiency. When mitochondria stall, your body loses metabolic flexibility. It can't efficiently switch between fuel sources anymore. Instead of burning fat, it hoards it. Instead of producing energy, it conserves it. That's why you crash at 3 p.m. That's why the scale won't move. And here's the critical part most people miss. No diet can override a stalled cellular engine. You can cut calories to nothing, but if your mitochondria can't process the fuel efficiently, your body will still store fat. It's not about how much you eat. It's about how well your cells process what you eat. This is why diets fail long-term. They address the input, but ignore the engine. You can put premium fuel in a broken engine and it still won't run. The engine needs repair first. This is the inside-out approach. Instead of restricting what goes in, you repair what's broken inside. Fix the cellular engines. Restore metabolic flexibility. Then your body can do what it was designed to do. Burn fat, produce energy, maintain a healthy weight naturally. Scientists have spent decades studying mitochondrial repair. They found 6 natural compounds that support mitochondrial function at the cellular level. They help turn stalled cells back into fat-burning engines. Maqui berry is one of the most powerful antioxidants in nature. It helps clear the oxidative stress that causes mitochondria to stall. Rhodiola rosea helps your body adapt to stress while supporting the sustained energy production that keeps you from crashing at 3 p.m. Theobroma cacao supports healthy blood flow to deliver nutrients to your cells so your engines have the fuel they need. Hematococcus provides astaxanthin that crosses the blood-brain barrier to support brain energy and reduce cravings. Amla supports cellular detoxification, helping clear the toxins that slow mitochondria down. Schisandra builds resilience to physical and mental stress so your engines stay running under pressure. Together, they repair and restore your cellular engines. I want to be transparent with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. If you choose to try this product, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend products I genuinely believe can help. The product is called mitolyn. It combines all 6 compounds in one formula designed to support mitochondrial repair and restore metabolic flexibility. It doesn't restrict what you eat. It repairs the engines that process what you eat. Fix the engine first. The weight follows. Better mornings. Fewer cravings. No 3 p.m. crash. That's the inside-out approach. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. 3 full months to feel the difference. If your engines don't start running again, full refund. No questions asked. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Everyone's body responds differently. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. If you're tired of diets that ignore the real problem, click the link in the description. Repair your cellular engines. Restore metabolic flexibility. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.